Okay, I have here two batteries. I want to first scratch their surface in both sides so the soldering will be better. This is a very fine sandpaper. There's tiny batteries. This is first. This is the second. So now it is scratched. I have here a copper wire, which I put some, I de-insulated the tips of it. So now I first clean the tip of the iron with this kind of designated thing. Now I put phosphoric acid, just a tiny drop with a swab on the surface. This is a big drop. If it's too big, I can soak it and put little less. Here, just a tiny drop. Now I put very little amount of very small amount of solder, and then the point here is to go quickly and safely until you sound there's a small sound of hiss. That's it. And now the battery, I can touch it and it's not warm at all. Now I can repeat that with another wire, or I can now solder it to the plus sign using, and do it again. Little bit of acid, clean the solder, small amount. Small hiss, and that's it. Now, if this is a very good solder, if the soldering place is shiny, means that I made a good job. I can also check it. Just pull it a little bit, and if it was not good, then I would just tear it apart really easily. Do it again. Clean the soldering iron. Acid. I can put it on both. Too much. In the solder, tiny bit of soldering. Very good. Last one. Clean the soldering. So clean the iron, sorry. And that's it. That's how you do it.